majority of our children are coming in with externalizing behaviors. What that means is that they are acting out in school, they're unable to go to school.
They've had psychiatric hospitalizations. Some of them have been removed from their home for other reasons.
We're really not curing children, we're intervening at a time when things are going really downhill.
Every animal has lessons to teach. We facilitate between the animals and the children and see what happens. The wildlife teaches them about boundaries, that they are free animals, that they are dangerous animals sometimes. The farm animals, it's a totally different lesson. It's about warmth, about contact with an animal.
It's wonderful to watch a child who for most of his life has been a service receiver turn into a service provider.
Little miraculous things happen every day.